Hello everyone, I Ajay Rotela welcomes you all to the GeoVigyan YouTube channel. In today's video, we are here with a new event, an International E-Olympiad on Geology 2021. Let's talk about this event and know all the details. The International E-Olympiad on Geology 2021 is open for everyone. Anyone can take the exam after successful registration. What is our objective behind this Olympiad? Numerous universities have numerous elite students in various countries. GeoVigyan is constructing a platform where they can compete, show and share their potential, skill and knowledge in geology at global level. What is our aim? To lead this Geology Olympiad, GeoVigyan aims to discover the world's brightest mind on geology and encourage them for their bright future. Why Geology Olympiad needed? This is more than a random online quiz. For the first time in Indian history, GeoVigyan is launching a Geology Olympiad. This Olympiad will help students understand their abilities, competitive skills and positive and negative strengths in geology, where they are good or need to update. Now we will look the important dates and time. The registration date is 17 October to 16 November 2021. The exam date is 28th November 2021. Exam time is 5 pm to 6 pm, which is according to Indian Standard Time. Mode of exam is English and the result date is 5th December 2021, 8 pm according to IST. All the registered participants will get the participation certificate on your mails within 15 days after the result declaration. Now we will see the rules of this Olympiad. The email ID and phone number provided by the applicant at the time of registration will only be allowed to join the Olympiad exam. Please fill out all details carefully as they will appear on your E-Olympiad certificate. There is no negative marking. The ranking will depend on two factors. First, higher marks students will get the higher rank. Second, if two students get the same marks, then the rank will be decided based on their exam submitting time. Those who will finish their exam earlier will get a higher position. Let's see with an example. If Ankit and Rashmi both got the same marks, which are 70 out of 100, but Ankit submitted his exam in 50 minutes and Rashmi submitted her exam in 49 minutes, so Rashmi will get a higher rank than Ankit. If we find any student have done cheating, so we will disqualify them. After the time has been completed, there is no additional time. No leverage will be given to any candidate if their network, internet is not working properly at the time of exam or any other technical issues like power cut, the device hang or any issues related from candidates end. This E-Olympiad will be held on the Google form or GeoVigyan website. We will send you the link for the exam to your registered mail. All the registered candidates will get the participation certificate on their respective emails within 15 days after the result declaration. After the successful registration, within few days, the participants will receive a confirmation mail on their registered email. So please read and fill all the asked detail carefully. If students fill in the wrong details, then GeoVigyan will not be liable. The decision made by GeoVigyan will be final and cannot be changed. Once the registration has been successfully completed, you cannot cancel your registration and request reimbursement of your registration fee. All the future announcements related to the E-Olympiad Geology 2021 will be sent to your registered email IDs. Now you can see the E-Olympiad syllabus. All the major topics will be covered in this E-Olympiad. Now we will see the prize money of this E-Olympiad. The rank first will get 5,000 Indian rupees plus gold medal certificate plus GeoVigyan t-shirt. Rank second will get 3,000 Indian rupees plus silver medal plus GeoVigyan t-shirt. Rank 3rd will get 1500 plus bronze medal certificate plus Geovigyan t-shirt. Rank 4th and 5th will get 750 each plus certificate of excellence. Rank 6th to 10th will get 500 each plus certificate of excellence. Rank 11th to 25th will get 200 each plus certificate of distinction. Rank 25 to 50 will get certificate of appreciation. After rank 50, all the participants will get certificate of participation. Now we will see the exam pattern. There are total 100 marks and the duration is 60 minutes and the total number of questions is 40. There will be 5 MCQs of 1 marks, 15 MCQs of 2 marks, 15 MSQs of 3 marks and 5 numerical answer type questions of 4 marks. Now the registration fee details. If you are from India, so your registration fee is 50 Indian rupees. If you are from outside of India, your registration fee is 1.5 USD. These are the payment methods. If you are from India, you can pay us through UPI ID or Google Pay, PhonePe or Paytm, or you can also do net banking. If you are from outside of India, you can pay your fee through PayPal, Skrill or Payoneer. All the details are in screen. The main question arises how to register for E-Olympiad. Registration form link is in the video description, as well as we have shared the registration link in every social media platform of Geovigyan. Also share this information with your friends and classmates. Thank you.